Good morning, fourth grade. We're ready for math lesson 165. We have a review lesson today, so we're going to go through concept cards, and we're going to have fairly many, so we're going to go through them pretty quickly. Go ahead and give the answer as soon as you know it, as soon as you think of the answer, and then I will show you the answer. Then you will get started on your lesson. So first of all, how many fluid ounces are in a cup? 8. 1 centimeter equals how many millimeters? 10. 1 meter equals how many millimeters? 1,000. 1 kilometer equals how many meters? 1,000. 1 hectometer equals how many meters? 100. 1 decameter equals how many meters? 10. 1 meter equals how many decimeters? 10. What does hecto mean? 100. What does deca mean? 10. What does milla mean? 1,000th. What does centa mean? 100th. What does deci mean? 1/10. Does kilo mean? 1,000. 1 metric ton equals how many pounds? 2,200. 1 kilogram equals how many grams? 1,000. 1 ton equals how many pounds? 2,000. 1 pound equals how many ounces? 16. 1 bushel equals how many pecks? 4. 1 peck equals how many quarts? 8. 1 gallon equals how many quarts? 4. 1 quart equals how many pints? 2. 1 pint equals how many cups? 2. 1 meter equals how many centimeters? 100. 1 mile equals how many yards? 1,760. 1 mile equals how many feet? 5,280. 1 yard equals how many inches? 36. 1 year equals how many days? 365. 1 year equals how many weeks? About 52. What are these called? Congruent angles, right angle, ray, line segment, point, polygon, simple closed curve, perpendicular lines, parallel lines, intersecting lines. 1 square yard equals how many square feet? 9. 1 square foot equals how many square inches? 144. What is the formula for finding the area of a square? A equals S times S. Formula for finding the perimeter of a square. P equals 4 times S. Formula for finding the area of a rectangle. A equals length times width. Formula for finding the perimeter of a rectangle. P equals, in parentheses, 2 times L plus, in parentheses, 2 times W. This is an angle, trapezoid, parallelogram, rhombus. What is the freezing point of water Fahrenheit? 32 degrees. The boiling point of water Fahrenheit? 212 degrees. Normal body temperature Fahrenheit? 98.6 degrees. The boiling point of water Celsius? 100 degrees. Freezing point of water Celsius, 0 degrees. And normal body temperature Celsius, 37 degrees. Okay, in your lesson today, you are working with many things that we've talked about recently. Remember, in number 1, write down your formula before you find your perimeter and area, and then work through one step at a time. Make sure you write out the problem. Work through your whole lesson carefully, all of the review, and let me know if you have any questions about anything. And I will see you in language class.